Okay, let's see. This is demonstration how to do fan coil. So the insulation that's inside here, it's not good. You can see how messy it is. I'm just trying to push it down. You can take it down and take it out. I'm trying to pack it nice. Okay, the insulation that I'm using right now, this is 4 inches. The wideness is 4 inches. So how to get it? You gotta have a nice tool to make the job easy for you, make it work easy. If you look at it, always trying to push it down so you can get the maximum thickness of the fire stop itself. So the silicone that you're going to put it on top. So I don't know what happened here, but I'm going to try to do my best to put it in the center, so in case when they connecting the units, they won't damage my fire stop. So trying to cut in the middle, get it in here. To make your job easy, always pack it nice, so when it's time to put the silicone, it will make your life easy. Okay, so now we gotta apply the silicone. You can see it's a self-level. You see, I don't even need to tool it, just running smoothly. This is an easy one because they have not connected the unit yet. If the unit was connected, it will be a little bit harder, but still there are ways to do it and it won't take too much time out of your time. So that's it. Let's move to the other one, which is over here. Okay. As you can see, this one has no insulation in it, and the pipes are always they are leaning toward me. I gotta try to push them in the center like this, so I can get my insulation behind it. This one will be a little bit big, so I'm gonna try to do it like this. Put those pipes together. Okay, that one is running away. Yes. I don't know if you guys can see it. So much stuff on the way. That's how it is. Construction site. Not everyone is cleaning after themselves. So don't let that get in your way. Let your work done. Do not leave this like that. You can see there's a hole there. So trying to move it, take your tool and put some insulation there. And the same thing over here. There.